Mastering English phrases. Unlocking, you're almost there. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and effective. Today, we're diving into a very common but crucial phrase, you're almost there. Understanding these simple words can help you grasp not just the language, but also the encouragement or motivation often hidden behind them. Let's embark on this journey together to uncover the essence of this phrase. You're almost there is a phrase that, on the surface, signifies that someone is nearing the completion of a task, goal, or destination. It's often used to encourage someone to keep going because they are close to achieving what they've set out to do. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, such as running a marathon, completing a project, or even nearing a physical location. Beyond its literal meaning, "you're almost there" carries a powerful layer of encouragement and support. It's a way of acknowledging someone's effort and progress, suggesting that their goal is within reach if they just keep pushing a little further. This phrase is about boosting morale and motivating someone to continue their pursuit, despite any challenges they might be facing. 1. Educational settings. Teachers might use this phrase to motivate students who are close to completing an assignment or understanding a complex topic. 2. Personal goals. Friends and family might say this to someone who is nearing the end of a fitness challenge or a personal project. 3. Professional environment. In the workplace, colleagues or supervisors could use it to encourage a team member who is close to finishing a task or reaching a target. There are several variations of "you're almost there" that carry a similar sentiment, including "you're nearly there," "almost finished," "so close." Understanding these variations can help learners navigate different contexts and recognize the underlying message of encouragement. "You're almost there" is more than just a phrase. It's a beacon of motivation, a pat on the back, and a reminder that success is just around the corner. We hope this video helps you not only to understand the phrase better but also to feel inspired to keep pushing forward, no matter what you're striving towards. Remember, every effort counts, and you're closer to your goal than you think. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.